start of day 2. First thing I'm going to do today is get those window frames and door frames built up. But just a quickie from yesterday, I'll show you what is in the accessory pack that you get. You don't have to buy anything. So you got your door handles there, your hinges for the doors and the windows, the window handles and the adjusters and all that sort of thing. Plenty of screws, 40s, 50s, 80mm screws for the floor. You've got 75mm nails there as well. They're going to be for your roof. You also get some knockdowns, but they do provide everything in the kit. It's an essential full kit for this Wickes Shire Danbury log cabin. So let's make a start on building the frames for the windows and the doors. Do it, baby. Woo! Now in the instructions there's 2 parts kind of to the instructions themselves. So you've got a very detailed instructions here, look, at the start, telling you everything, how to put them together, what you need to be doing, everything step by step, which is going to be a useful guide. And you've also got at the back more of a basic guide as well to the instructions. So this section here is just for this little wooden frame that I'm putting together, and then you can flip it over. There you go, and that's got the rest of the door frame, and also for the window frames and more or less everything else. It's more of a basic look at the instructions, but personally myself, I find this a lot easier than the others. But yeah, there's 2 different types to the instructions, which is great. I'll carry on getting this together, and if I come across any problems, I'll let you know. Right, so where I'm up to at the minute, got the door frame done, tried to get the hinges on, and it was pissing me off with the instructions and trying to work out how to fit the hinges and the doors when they were laid down. So what I've done now is I'm going to fit them last, rightly or wrongly. That's what I'm going to do, because basically we're just pissing me off. There's the doors, there's the frame. The hinges are just a weird shitty hinge. It's that sort. I don't know if you can see that. There you go, look. I'm just trying to work out what sort of gap you need, how they're going to fit. So I need to build the window frames up now, which is a tedious job. It is boring as hell, but it's got to be done. So I'm going to do that. Hopefully somebody will be giving me a hand in a bit, but whether or not they decide to, I don't know. But hey, little Sam, say hello. Hello, Daddy. I'm helping. I'm a little helper. Awesome. Make sure we're getting seam all down there where it's going to slide in, because obviously once it's in and edges and that, then the exterior of it we can spray in a bit, lather it in it. Don't be shy with it on this bit. There you go. That's enough in there now, Sam. Jesus. I said don't be shy, but whoa. Let's spin it on its side, and then we'll do the duke bottom. Done. Right, let's get it in position. Do you want to grab one? One both full. Don't step off the steps. Yeah, it's alright, isn't it? Do you like it, Julie? Yeah. Right, progress report as of day 2. The sides are up. I'm actually stood inside it. So 1 window, door, 2 window, other gable end, and that is the back as I'm stood inside. We've got the rafters on top. Today my middle son Sammy helped me this afternoon get this bit done, smashed out. So I did spend a lot of time this morning pissing about these goddamn windows, trying to work out how these hinges worked. Personally, I wasted a lot of time, so I just thought, fuck it, I'm just going to do the frames, door frame, window frame, get them put in situ, and I'll mess about with the hinges and all that sort of crap later on. Trying to get it somewhat built and completed as much as I can over this weekend, because the weather is absolutely glory arse. Not a cloud in bloody sky, look at that. It's unbelievable, Jeff. So yeah, so far so good. Only issues I've noticed is there has been a few bits of mould on some of the panels. There, look, will wipe off, don't get me wrong. Did feel a little moist, the panels did, but it's absolutely baking at the minute, so it's better off than being in situ. Get them up, get them drying out in the sunshine. That's the only really issue I've had, that and trying to work out how the stupid bloody hinges worked on doors and windows. But other than that, it's been a good day. I would have liked to have got more done than I have. I finally ran out of decking oil that we're using to treat the log cabin, so I'm going to have to get some more of that tomorrow for the floor, for the ceiling, for the boards and all that. So that's a shot of the outside, that's the front. There you go, that's the other gable end with a window that's going to open out this side. This is the back, and that's the other gable end. Oh shit, nearly fucking fell over. Ladder. Stupid ladder, who put that there? Bloody thing. Right, so that's the other gable end. So yeah, bit of a decent productive day. So roll on tomorrow. I'm just going to have half a day tomorrow, not a full day at it. See what I can get done tomorrow, but I need to get some more no nonsense decking oil, get it smashed out, see what we can get done tomorrow. Hopefully we're going to get the roof and the floorboards down. Don't know about the roof felt itself, but we'll see what tomorrow brings. So another productive day, frustrating at times. Well, that's just the way it goes, isn't it? You know what I mean? You know what I mean, mash? So yeah, happy days, progress. It's all about progress, but that is the amount of stuff I've still got left. There's still a decent amount when you look at all the floorboards and all that sort of crap. So yeah, see you tomorrow. Day free tomorrow, free day, woo! So yeah, see you later, see you tomorrow, ta-da, bye, see you there.